them.
Live and learn, sweetheart.
You really are a pyro, aren't you?
So, I like burning stuff.
Is that what you went to juvie for?
Like I tell you why I went to juvie.
Oh man! I'll get water.
And then there was one. You and me, psycho.
Duncan? Duncan! Oh! Okay, you know what? I'm getting a sandwich!
Mother of pearl! He's going to face off with the escaped psycho killer with the chainsaw and a hook!
When you got an all-out prize fight, you wait until the fight is over. One guy's left standing, and that's how you know who won. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Come and get it, Goldie boy. What? I ran out of stuff to throw. Thought you could scare me? Now let's see who's behind the mask.
I wasn't born yesterday, dude. Please, we watch a scary movie with an escaped psycho killer with a chainsaw and a hook, and here you are running around.
Someone lose this?
Woohoo! Way to go, Duncan! Hey, coolio. Gwen's taking on the psycho all by herself. Whoa!
Wait a sec. If Chef's in here, then who's in the lodge with Gwen?
Holy Lola! It's the real escaped psycho killer with the chainsaw and a hook!
This could be really, really good for rating, but really, really bad for lawsuits.
Okay, I know actors without speaking parts don't get paid much, but seriously, dude, invest in a dental plan and some toothpaste. Hey, you want a sandwich before you impale me with your big scary hook? Okay. Look, you can drop the charade, okay? I know you're an actor with a hook prop, and frankly, you're not that scary. Ew, gross. How did they get it to go all scabby like that?
He's the real escaped psycho killer with the chainsaw and a hook! Ow! Oh, that was totally uncalled for. Man, I am so out of here. I was treated way better in prison.
Well, it's obvious to everyone that Gwen wins invincibility. And sadly, it's equally unanimous that DJ walked the dock of shame. Since he was the only one who screamed and bolted without the escaped psycho killer even being there. But, no hard feelings, dude. You will be missed.
Aw, group hug!
Bye,
Oh, man. That really hurts. I think it's bleeding. Is it bleeding?